Hello guys, palagi ba kayo sinasabihan ng mga kaibigan nyo or ng kapatid nyo o kaya ng mga parents nyo na ang liit mo naman? Tapos napapaisip ka, paano kaya maging matangkad? Kaya guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Need More Height. Pero may sitwasyon para sa ating mga maliliit guys. Meron din na yung bagong Enchanted Kingdom sa tapat ng bahay natin. Pero hindi pasok yung height natin. Kaya hindi tayo makakasakay sa rides. Kaya gagawa tayo ng paraan paano tumangkad guys. Kaya let's go! Tulog tayo, nagpapatangkad siguro tayo guys. Yes, today is Sunday. There's a new fun fair opening in front of my house. Yun nga yun guys. I will go check it out. Ang lapit-lapit ng ride sa atin guys. Sana makapasok tayo. Let's go! Malabas na tayo dyan. Sa tapat lang pala ng bahay. Oh. Ayun, tinayo nilang EK. Bili na tayong ticket dito guys. Hello? I would like to buy a ticket please. Yeah, sure. But first, I need to see how tall are you. Kailangan makita ko muna kung gaano ka katangkad, kung kasya ka ba or hindi. Kung pasok ba yung height mo or hindi. Okay. 5? What? 5 ano yan? Sorry, you are not tall enough to go in. No! There has to be a way to get taller. Tama, mayroon pang way. Siyempre, laging merong paraan, guys. Anong gagawin natin? Hindi tayo papayag na hindi makapasok dyan, guys. Kailangan makapasok tayo. Get something healthy from the fridge. Kakain tayo ng healthy. Galing sa ref. Saan na yung ref? Ayun. Carrot lang. Okay. Talk to the ticket guy. Pwede na kaya yun? Kumain na tayo ng carrots. Balik tayo dito sa ticket guy. I think you saw it wrong. Can you check again? Ang layo pa. 1 inch lang yung nadagdag. It's a bit more but you're still not tall enough. I have to get taller. Kailangan pa natin kumain ulit ng more healthy foods. Yan. Nakita nyo yun guys. Nakita ko yun. Talagang tumaas tayo guys. Gaano katangkad kaya mangyayari sa atin dito. Kung excited na kayo guys kung anong kalalabasan nito, kung gaano tayo katangkad, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. Let's go to the ticket guy. Can you check again? 8? 2 inches long. You're still not tall enough. Okay, eating healthy is not working. I will have to do something else. Exercise in your room. Bakit kailangan sa room? Punta tayo sa ating room. Exercise. Ang galing ah. Yan, baka naman tumangkad na tayo. Baka naman tumangkad na tayo niyan. Check natin ulit. Pwede mo bang sukatin kung gaano ako katangkad? Yes, I know your height. 9.5. At least tumatangkad talaga tayo agad no guys. You're still not tall enough. Run around your house. Kailangan daw natin tumakbo ng tumakbo dito sa loob ng bahay natin o kaya mag-jogging. Am I tall? Am I tall? Hindi tayo pwede umupo. Lakad lang. Buksan natin yung room ni Daddy at mangungulit tayo. Ay, Daddy, gising, tulog ka pa rin. Mas matangkad na ako sa'yo, oh. Tignan mo, oh. Tatangkad kaya tayo nito. Gising! Daddy, wake up! Wake up! Come on, Daddy. I'm taller than you. Kaya na ba tong pagra-run natin? Around your house. Sabi around the house, edi ikutin din natin to, pati yung CR. Am I tall? Am I tall? Am I tall enough? Am I? Matangkad na ba ako? Yan. Tatangkad na ba ako sa ginagawa ko? Umiikot pa rin tayo around the house, guys. May swimming pool pala tayo dito sa labas ng bahay natin. Oh. Baka yun yung vitamins natin pampatangkad, guys. Ayun yung green na box daw. Yan. Guys, tingnan nyo. Ang tangkad na natin. Kakaikot sa bahay. Parang mas matangkad na tayo ngayon, guys. Tanong na natin sa ticket guy. Kasya na ba yan? Mas matangkad na rin ako sa bilihan ng ticket, oh. Ngayon, ano ng size ko? Pasok na ba yan? 12? No. Why is nothing working? Search for something helpful on the TV. Akala ko matangkad na tayo, hindi pa pala tayo pasok. Turn on the TV. Don't get too tall, you won't fit on doors. What a tip. Anong tip yan? Change channel. Short people eat for free. Go to restaurant now. Makaka-free nga naman tayo kapag mukha tayong bata, di ba guys? Wanna be tall so you can enter any funfair? Order the Grow Potion now. 3574. May na-orderan pala ng gamot ang patangkad. Just call 3574. Open the box. Ayan na agad. Ayun. Drink the potion. Tumangkad niya tayo agad. Ang haba na ng katawan natin. Hindi proportion. Talk to the guy. How tall am I? Now. Pasok? Pasok tayo? Pasok ba tayo? 15? Now you're tall enough to enter. Yay! Sa wakas. Makakapasok din tayo sa EK. Good ending. You enter the funfair. Yun na yun? Ang bilis Kala ko papahirapan pa tayo, guys. Hindi tayo nahirapan. Yun lang pala yun. Masyado nilang pinadali yung need more height. Kaya nandito tayo ulit ngayon sa need more aura naman, guys. Yes, is this me? Or is this our grandma? Hindi na siya white. She's red hair. Tulog na naman tayo. What time is it? 12:34. Uncle's gonna be mad. Better go talk to him. Is this our uncle? Hey, uncle. You're always sleeping in so late. I know, I'm sorry. Do you see the time? It's already the afternoon. No wonder you got no aura. Talk to your sister. Where is my sister? Oh, she's our sister. Hello, sister. What do you call a fake noodle? Eddie, impasta. Wow. Follow me, sis. Show uncle your fan. Naging fan bigla si ate. Supportive ate. Uncle, look who I got with me. Uncle being speechless. That's your sister. Let's count how many fans you have. 1. Not enough aura. Whatever you say, uncle. Talk to your mom. Mama, where are you? Are you there, mama? Ayun. Si mama ba yun? Hindi naman Sino to? Baka nasa labas si mama. Is this our mom? Eto. Mama nga natin. Hi, mom. Do you know why cows wear bells? It's because their horns don't work. You're funny. Uncle, dalawa na sila, hindi na sila one. Look what I've pulled. These are all just your family member. Hindi yan counted. Talk to the maid. Where is she? Hello, ate. Ano pinagagawa natin? Uncle, ulaan mo ilan na yung fans ko. Bilangin mo, dali. All these people are from our house. Di 3 na sila. No, hindi pa rin yan counted. Lahat yan, pamilya mo Ayaw tumigil ni uncle. Go to your computer and record a video. Magre-record tayo ng video. Magre-record tayo ng video for more aura. Where is the computer? Ayun yung computer. Ayan, magre-record na tayo ng video, guys. Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing off my dance moves. Little bit of that, little bit of this. And your live stream. Stop live streaming. Fans are waiting for you outside. Wow! Guys, meron na daw tayong fans outside sa labas ng bahay natin. Kakagawa lang natin ng video. Meron agad. Astig! Tignan natin sila, guys. Tapos papakita na natin kay uncle. Ang dami nila. Fans are waiting for you outside. Go greet them. Hello! Hello, guys! Oh, happy na siya. Oh my God, it's really him. We're your biggest fan. Yes, you should follow me to my uncle. Uncle, paano ba yan? Ito, totoo na to. Uncle, sige na, bilangin mo na kung ilan sila. How did you? Don't underestimate me, uncle. Wag mo kasi ako minamaliit, uncle. Palagi mo sinasabi na I need aura. But I don't see you having an aura. So, I wanna see you pull my fans. Don't play with me, kiddo. Oh, are you scared? Fine, but don't get mad if I did it. Nakuha ba ni uncle yung mga fans? No! told you. Wag mo kasi kinakalaban yung tito mong may balbas at saka may bigote. How could you do this to me? Hey, I told you not to mess with me. No! Defeated ending. Moral of the story, wag kakalabanin ng tito mong may bigote at balbas sarado. Kung hindi, maaagawan ka niya ng aura. Kaya kung na-enjoy niyo yung video na to guys, hanggang sa susunod muli. Paalam!